Let's create the word switch to control values. First, create the word variable. Open all variables from tool chest, variables. Add a word variable. And rename it to switch2. Place a word switch. Open the Content One screen from Project Explorer. Add a switch to the screen from Tool Chest, Parts. Change the properties in Properties. Select Function and Touch. Change the operation type to Word. Set the operation to Set and Source to 100. Bind the switch2 variable to destination. Change other properties to shape the switch. Copy word switch. Change the operation to add and source to 1. By this setting, every time the switch is touched, a positive constant is added to the current value of the specified variable. Change the text. Copy word switch. Change the operation to subtract and source to 1. By this setting, every time the switch is touched, a positive constant is subtracted to the current value of the specified variable. Change the text. Add a numeric display to monitor the switch2's value. Select numeric display from Tool Chest, Parts. Change the current value to switch2 variable from the Properties, Function, Basic. Change other properties to shape the numeric display. Let's simulate and check the operation. Click Write Value Switch, and 100 will be included to the numeric display. Every time the increase switch is pushed, the value increases by 1. Every time the decrease switch is pushed, the value decreases by 1.